So I think one of the things that makes this program stand out for students is we're a pre-professional training program. So our School of Performing Arts, our students are doing what they learn during the day in their production work at night. All of our faculty and our guest artists are all working professionals. So our students are actually learning from people working in the business. And then we bridge that gap for the students. They have internship opportunities. They get opportunities to actually go and work at theater companies. And then we bring those companies here. Our Performing Arts Center also is a great rental space. So a lot of times professional companies will be here. Students have the opportunities to work as resident stage managers and oftentimes get to do things like understudying or doing internships with those programs. I teach acting and theater, and it's art, and so I meet the student where they're at. What they bring to the table is what's going to change the world, and so I'm here to help them foster that, amplify it, bring it into fruition so that they have the ability to enter into the world after being here at Avila and bring their full artistic selves to whatever they do to make a difference.
I chose this program because I've always been really passionate about performing arts, and I love the idea of being able to do something and put on shows and make people happy. So far, the most impactful experience was being able to open Intimate Apparel last February. It was very powerful for me personally, and I love that place so much.
My professors and classmates have really helped me ground myself and just help me through my journey and telling me like you can fail and it's good to fail, and just learning from the experience. This program has helped me just connect with new people in the industry.
We have guest directors come in and direct the shows. We worked with Darren Sectro, which is the artistic director at KCAT. We've worked with Sid Garrett, which she is a prominent figure in Kansas City Heart of America Shakespeare Festival, and we've worked with plenty of other directors who all have prominent figures in Kansas City. So we've been able to make connections, not just fresh out of the gate, right out of college. We've been able to make connections while we're still in school.
I think the most rewarding aspect of being a professor here in the School of Performing Arts is getting to work with these students. I get to know them, I get to know their journey, I see them from day one all the way through graduation, and then I get postcards after they graduate from around the world telling me about all the exciting things that they're doing and what they're moving on to. It's just that human connection, that one-on-one connection that we get here at Avila because of our size, because of our mission, that really puts us in deep contact with the students as the people that they are, and that's just a joy for me.